Molly Wally, man, huh? You want some Molly Wally, Thor? Man, you want your Molly Wally, huh? Aw. Thor, man, he wants some Molly Wally, man. From Guatemala, man. Acapulco Gold, you know? You ever hear of Cheech and Chong? Hey, dude, man. He had some Molly Wally. Molly Wally, man. Aw, thank you. This is Thor, man. He loves Cheech and Chong. You like Cheech and Chong, Thor? Hey man, you want some Molly Wally, Acapulco Gold, man? I can get you anything you want, man. Not. No way. I would never do that to you, kitty. Where's that kitty? You're no kitty, are you, Thor? You good boy, huh? Yeah, man. Who's that dude? Who's that dude on my finger, man? Who's that? Who's that dude? Look at that dude. Man, look at that dude over there, man. Who is that dude? What's your name? Your name ain't Thor, is it? Huh? Who's that dude on my finger, man? Who is that? Hey, man, there's a bird on my finger, man. Who's that? Who's that dude, man? Wow, man. This shit's really kicking in. There's a dude on my finger, man. There's a bird. How'd you get here, man? Oh, wait, you've been here, huh? Man, there's a... Man, I thought I was at Disney World, man. Something. Oh, man, you just poo-pooed, man. Man, you just poo-pooed on my on my finger, man. You look at that. You poo-pooed right there. Man, you just a bad bird. Molly Wally, man. Cheech and Chong. Yeah. Molly Wally, man. Can you say Molly Wally, man? Hey, dude, can you say Molly Wally, man? Yeah, he'd rather groom. What you doing, man? Cleaning your foot? Hey, man. What you doing? What you doing, man? You just, man, you're just sitting there on my finger, aren't you? Say hi to the world, dude. Quit pooping. Say hi, man. Thor, say hi, everybody. Where are my kisses? Where's mine? Say hello, everybody. Hello. You looking around, man. Aw, you're a good baby. He always lets me kiss him. Don't ya? Yeah, you better get out of here, kitty. I see ya. That cat's already been after him a couple times. He already got him like 3 times. Yeah. I'm gonna watch that. Get away from me. Go on. Get. Where's that? No. Great.